Hello, hi, myself Meghnath Reddy from Avanti Engineering College, and here I am discussing about the few drawbacks of Indian economy which are killing the merit people and also which are killing the young talents in students. And also there are few drawbacks which are making India to make always being a developing country but not a developed country. One of the major problem about the development in Indian economy is corruption, and second thing is reservation. Corruption, which is mainly done by the Indian politics and also politicians, which is not at all decreasing in our India. Whereas compared to US, European countries, there is no corruption in their country because of proper politicians and also proper economy in there. But whereas in India, there are politicians, they themselves has a corruption mind and making the total system corrupted. The thing which can make the corruption stop is development in youth. Youth has to take a better step to develop the economy and also stop corruption. Only the one thing which we can do is youth coming to politics and change the politics so that the corruption get decreased. The second thing is reservation, which is the main bloody reason for the drawback of Indian economy. Corruption, which is giving a lot of struggle to the merit students. That means for a general category student who can get the 10,000 rank cannot get a seat in top 10 engineering colleges, but whereas a ordinary reservation character reservation student who gets 1 lakh rank can get a seat in CBIT and also topmost colleges. Whereas I am one of the who got problems with this reservation, and I support the reservation for those who are poor and also those who have a no financial status, but I never support the reservation for a caste based reservation. Whereas the caste based reservation for a normal SC/ST people who had more money and also who had well reached social status are also enjoying the fruits of reservation, but whereas a poor people of general category are not able to enjoy the fruits of the reservation. Whereas YSR Rajshekhar Reddy has introduced a few things about fees reimbursement in engineering, but those are also being corrupted by few people by giving a fake certificates, by giving a fake certificate of less than 1 lakh income per annum, and also few also are happening due to the bloody politicians. We can stop these all by youth entering into the politics. And due to this reservation, the students who are getting more ranks also getting benefited in top engineering colleges, and there is a average student coming out with average rank and also getting satisfied, getting placed in government job and also giving well development to the government. But there is no such development in the government because of average student getting into the job. But whereas a top merited student cannot enter into the job due to his reservation, whereas a SC and also ST students can enter into the jobs by getting less ranks in their TOEFLs or some entrance exams. But whereas OC general students cannot enter into the exams, they enter into the jobs because of the reservation. That I have to conclude is the only thing which I am going to conclude by my means of view is that caste based reservation has to be decreased, and also poor people who have no financial status has to be satisfied with their reservation, and also reservation should be declared only to the poor people, not for a rich people.